What's up, SaaS Masters? My name's George, and today I want to show you a deal that's going to let you write better and smarter content. This is an AI writing assistant. So what it does is that we input some keywords, phrases, and it turns it into content that we can use for ads, blog posts, titles, descriptions, so on and so forth, even for emails. And one of the things I love about this deal is that it's super easy to use, plus it's only $39 for a lifetime deal. So let's go check it out right now. Alright guys, this is what I was talking about, and it's called Rytr. It's in a lifetime deal right now for $39 only, and it gives you 50,000 characters a month. So the output that it provides is 50,000 characters a month, and those renew every single month for life. Now, one of the cool features about Rytr is that if the output that it provides, it wasn't what you expected, you can claim those credits back. So that's pretty cool that we get that option. So this is the platform, like I said before, super easy to use. Once you get it, you're ready to go, and it's easy to start off. First, let me show you the languages that are available, because probably most of us don't actually use English for our clients. For example, in my case, I use Spanish. So let's see what other languages are available. So let's select languages, and this is what's available. Let me scroll down here slowly so you see if your language that you need is available as of now, because they're adding more. And this is what's available right now. Okay, next thing we have is the select the tone. So for example, if I want the output of the information that I need in another tone, I select it right here. So appreciative, casual, earnest, enthusiastic, formal, funny, humble, joyful, passionate, urgent, worried. You select what you want. In this case, I'm going to select formal, because that's probably what we're going to use the most for our clients or for talking to corporations. Why? Because we haven't touched base, we're not friends yet, we can't just go informal with them, so that's probably what we're going to use the most. Next thing is choose the use case. So what do you want to use for the output or what do you need it for? It could be blog articles and outline, blog article intro and content, business idea pitch, emails. Check these out. All of these are available right now, even for YouTube ideas. And let's actually test one of these YouTube descriptions. And let's just say I need a description for the title. So I figured out what title I'm going to use, but what do I put for the description? I don't have an idea. So this helps us create those ideas. So I'm going to put one of the titles I've used already from one of my past videos. If you haven't seen that video, go jump to it. And then we select the amount of variance do we want for the output. So 1, 2, or 3. In this case, let's select 3, what we're going to get. And let's start it off. Remember, this is going to give us the idea for the description of that YouTube video. And these are 3 descriptions that I got for my YouTube video, and I can use any one of these. Take your time, read them, see what the output is, and decide if it's something that it's good for you or not. Now, one of the things I will recommend is that you test Rytr out. You have a 60-day money-back refund policy. I'm not trying to sell you this. I'm trying to get you to actually test it and decide if it's good for you, because it will depend on your business niche. For example, if I say, you know what, I sell coins, like old coins, something like that, maybe the outputs that I'm gonna get in Rytr are not adequate. But if I'm selling other stuff and I get the outputs really good, well, that's really fine. So these are 3 options right here. Another cool feature about Rytr is that you can extend the text or you can shorten it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I highlight this whole area right here, I can expand it because I might need to extend more words to this. So it's gonna add other words in between and phrases to make it even longer. So I've just expanded it, and well, it didn't do much on this one. Let me do it again. Let me see if it writes more. I expanded it a bit, not much. Let's expand one of the phrases right here. So this phrase right there, let's expand this. Let's see what it does. Okay, that expanded it a bit more. So you expand it and you get some more in between filler words, I guess. So it kind of makes it even longer. Now it does the other way around. So it does the opposite. If I select this, I can shorten. Okay, there we go. So it shortened up what we just wrote. It sums it up, right? And you have more options like rephrase, append, and paragraph, so on and so forth, right? You get all these options available with this. So this is just like a quick test. Now, all of this gets stored in history. If I go back right here, we have the history from the previous tests that I've made. Obviously, in your case, it could be real content. Okay, these are just tests that I've made, and these are the characters used in those. Now, if I want to claim these, we'll go into history. For example, here's the text that I've just used, and I can report poor output quality, okay? And try to get those credits back that were used. Obviously, it has to be real acclaim. It just can't be false because you want more credits. So just consider that. And we can start off a new document. Okay, let's grab this. And we can select something else. So for example, if I need the blog article and outline, we put some keywords right here. Put some phrases, launch article. Yeah, that's good. Let's try that. Just so you get an idea. Oh, and right now by default, it was selected one variant only. So there we go. We got the blog idea, and this is what we got. So number 1, number 2, number 3. It helps you out. Like I mentioned before in the beginning, it's that it lets you write smarter and better content. So in this case, it helps us with those ideas. So if you don't have a lot of ideas for use cases, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna write? This helps you out get started. Like I said before, you have to actually analyze the content and obviously put your own ideas into it. So if you just want to use it straight like it is, and if it works fine, well, that's good. But I would recommend that you actually tweak it a bit so it's more customized and obviously your own, like, original idea. But you get the idea. So you have all these options. Go ahead, test it out. Like I said before, it's only $39 for the lifetime deal. And if you guys would like to grab that deal, that link will be in the description. That link is an affiliate link. If you use that link, it gives me a small commission and it won't cost you a single cent more. Well, I thank y'all for watching. My name's George. This is SaaS Master, and I'll see you guys later.